My country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my respect. I shall be respect to my parents. And all elders. Teachers and all elders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. There will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning everyone. My name is K. Saishi of Grade 8 Topaz. Today I am going to tell a speech on cleanliness. Cleanliness is not just about keeping our surroundings neat and clean. It is about protecting our health. The simple habits like throwing waste in the dustbin, washing our hands and keeping clean our desks tidy makes a big difference. A clean place like school and classroom makes a positive environment for learning. So let us all contribute for making our school clean and beautiful place. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Everyone, today's thought is brought to you by Hanvi Comrade of Grade 8 Topaz. Thought: believe in yourself because your life is bigger than your fears. I repeat it again: believe in yourself because your life is bigger than your fears. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Myself Ishwar from Grade 8 Topaz. Today's weather report. Maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny, no rain is expected, humidity 47%, wind speed 10 km per hour. This is the end of today weather forecast. Thank you, have a nice day.
Today's school news is brought to you by Ketan Sandesh of Grade 8 Topaz. School news. SR Vidyaniketan International School has celebrated Children's Day on 14th of this November and every student participated with colorful dresses. And the special assembly conducted by our teachers with dances and skits. Thank you. Have a wonderful.
National news is brought to you by Sheffield of Grade 8 Topaz. International news. Iceland declares climate threat a security risk. Iceland has officially called potential benefits collapse of a major Atlantic Ocean current a national security threat. National news. Quantum diamond microscope developed. India unveiled its first quantum diamond microscope developed by IIT Bamboos of Pequest Group. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today weather report is brought to you by Ishwar of Grade 8 Topaz. Maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny, no rain is expected, humidity 47%, wind speed 10 km per hour. This is the end of today weather report. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy morning everyone. My name is K. Ranjit Kumar of Grade 8 Topaz. Today's word: awareness, knowing and understanding something clearly. Example: awareness understands what is happen around us. Friends, please spell after me. Awareness. A-W-A-R-E-N-E-S-S. Awareness. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Shokrishna from Grade 8 Topaz. I am here to tell state and sport news. State news. Telangana aims to become India's airscope defences capital by 2030 according to IT Industries Minister P.S. Babu. Sport news. South Africa versus India, first test match. South Africa beats India by 30 runs. SR Vidyaniketan under 14 basketball members Rishi, Niharika, Geetanjali participated in the district competition and selected to the states level. Thank you.